Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my January Ipsy Unbagging. So if you want to see what I got in my Ipsy bag, then just keep watching. Alright, so the card, well, the theme is game face, and then at the front of it's like one of those little things you sign. It's like I will conquer, and then it has some nice motivation on the back with it. So just first off, there's a bag. I don't really know how much I like this bag. It's just kind of a lot for me, and I don't really like the texture, but hopefully my contents is pretty good. So the first thing I feel is this KOKIE Cosmetics Kissable Liquid Lipstick, and this is in Mad About Mauve. There we go. So it's kind of like a brownish, purpley-ish nude. It's like it's a very more. To me it's more of a brownish nude. It's like, you know, like the Indian clay kind of color. That's like the reddish, brownish, like nude kind of color. To me that's more this than mauve. And the next thing I bought is the Mary Luminizer. It's definitely nice and reflective. I would put some on, but I have a pretty out there highlight right now, so I'm not going to put any on, but it's pretty good. Alright, and the next thing I have is this VASANTI Kajal Waterline Eyeliner, and this is in Intense Black. It's a very nice black eyeliner. I'm just not a big fan of like pencil eyeliners, so we'll just have to see. Alright, so the next thing I have is this Real Chemistry Foam Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser for smooth, soft, clean start. And it is a face wash. It doesn't really seem to have a scent. It feels very soft. I know it's a face wash, so that like swatch didn't really give me like a very good insight. But hopefully it'll be good. I like using these little samples. I take them in the shower, so it's easier than taking my whole big bottle of face wash in the shower. And the last thing I have is this DERMELECT Microfacial Exfoliating Mask. This has like mini exfoliating crystals in it. It feels really nice. It smells very lemony and fresh all at the same time. It did definitely smooth out the skin of my hand when I swatched it, so hopefully that'll be pretty good. Well, that is everything I got in this month's Ipsy bag. I think the things I'm most excited about are probably this liquid lipstick and the Mary Luminizer. The face wash I don't know, and the mask I don't know about yet. And I'm not a big fan of pencil eyeliner, so I don't know if I'm gonna like that one. But yeah, that is everything. If you want to subscribe to Ipsy, there is a link at the top of my description that will take you there. If you do sign up using that link, I will give the disclaimer that it does give me points. So if you want to sign up just through the Ipsy website, it's just ipsy.com. But if you want to subscribe to my channel, there will be a little circle over here with my face on it. You click on subscribe, or if you want to watch my most recent video, there will be a box right here and you click on it and go to my most recent video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!